Hey, welcome back to the channel. Mark Always Busy. Today we got to get out some firewood baskets while it's good and dry. And we're going to get them over to the graveled area. And then I'll get some tarps on them. And we'll be ready for winter. Got to get out 18. That's how many I need. So the season ones are in the middle. We're going to grab those and get to work. So we got them all lined up. These are going to be winter's wood. And my best practice I found to tarp them is I just get one of these Harbor Freight tarps and then 4 clamps, also Harbor Freight or Menards. I just throw them around. The silver tarps seem to last longer, but I cut up old big tarps and use those too. Whatever's free, right? So thanks for watching. We'll see what we get into next time.